Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2, or really part 3, but it's how to get a black border behind this now so we don't have to use the yellow box. The most important thing you're going to learn here is to make a duplicate of that object, because we're going to change it up by left-clicking, right-clicking to just have an outline. So the contour tool will work with, go to Effects and Contour. We're going to contour to the outside with rounded corners one time, and you get that. Now we got some trash on the inside, but that's okay. Go to Object, break contour apart, and grab the contour. Now it didn't do it perfectly, but if we go to Object and go break curve apart, then we can grab just the outside and we can delete all this. Now why did I say to make a duplicate of that colored pattern? And I'll show you why. Because now we cannot use this. We're going to have to use this one. And because we nudged, we can put it right back. Now, if we want it dead on, we need to contour to the inside now, that 0.1. Go up to Effects, break contour apart, and grab just the inside one. And you see it's out there. Now let's just delete all this. Take our contour back. And our contour is not perfect. I see some mistakes in the bottom. But if we turn this black, move it over there and see where we're not perfect, but that can be fixed. Go to Object, Order, and then put it in the back of page. Well, let's get rid of the yellow. The yellow is actually behind there now. Go to Unlock and just get rid of the yellow, and there's our black outline. And I would probably, we're missing some of the contour up top. And matter of fact, let's do this. I think if we would have not double contoured and just left the major contour, let's use the outside contour. See if we can just grab the outside one. Yep, that's gonna look a lot better. Now let's get rid of this stuff. You could do it without, but I'm gonna fill this in with black, get rid of our yellow box, which we're gonna have to go to Object and unlock it, because it's locked, and then get rid of the yellow. Now if we move the black back, it's in front, so we just need to go to Object and Order and back of page. Now we're a little bit off on the contour down here. We had some mishaps, but that can be really, really easily changed, and I'm not going to get into it in this video, but it can actually be worked out pretty easily by just moving some stuff around. And one thing you could do is, let's try this real quick. Let's go to block this flag and then grab the black. That way we cannot grab the flag. We'll grab the shape tool and we'll start moving some of these contours around. And I'd actually get rid of some of these contour lines, and you can play around this and get it perfect. See, like on the inside, and I don't like that red hairline around the contour, but like that doesn't look right. And I don't know anything about printing. The person that originally was going to print this, I don't know if any of these little bitty lines are going to show up that where we repaired it when we combined it, but all that could still be fixed. Let's see if we can't get rid of this no outline. Yeah, now we don't have a red outline. So you could fix some of this stuff by just moving nodes around. And like I said, I don't know anything about printing. I'm an engraver. So I don't know whether these things are going to show up in your printing, because we did combine it. So maybe I'm not helping the person that was actually looking for it. So let's unlock it. Let's look at these little specks. Let's break curve apart or ungroup it. See, that's actually a blank fill. Let's hold down the shift button and combine that again. Or you know what? Let's weld it. Wow. That's how we should have done it in the first place. So you could, if you really had to do this, and you can tell you've got two objects Because look at all that black behind there, the little bitty specks. So as long as you can grab one of those, let's do this one right here. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to nudge that out of the way for a second and then try to grab that and then get both these and weld them and then put them back. And now we don't have that little zigzag of a line. Let's do that one more time because I want to make sure. Take that down. And this should have done with the combine. Maybe a while ago I should have welded. Yep, I got rid of most of them. So I should have welded all those spots earlier. Combine worked, but it would work. I don't know. Maybe even on a printer this wouldn't even show up because they're really not there. There's really no outline. See, there's no outline there. It's just a separation of colors. So I don't know. Anyway, I hope I'm helping, but not 100% sure on this one. Thank you for watching.